Tire changer installation guide. Open and remove the outer wooden crate. Remove the protective wrap and set aside all accessories. Remove the 4 bolts from the column mounting area. Connect the 2 air hoses to the column base. Fasten the column using the 4 bolts removed earlier. Connect the rear air hose to the bottom air port of the column. Remove the bolt on the right side of the column. Install arm A into the hole where the bolt was removed and fasten it with the bolt. Connect the air hose of arm A to the air hose at the top of the upright column. Remove the roller and screw from fixing arm A. Insert the removed fixing arm A into the arm A and secure it with the removed screw. Install the roller back onto the end of fixing arm A. Open the air nozzle on fixing arm A, slide the shorter air hose through the supporting arm, and then connect it securely. Open the top air hole of fixing arm A, slide the longer air hose over it, and then connect it securely. Use a simple tool to support the middle arm, then loosen the top screw and remove the cap. Insert the spring, place the removed cap back on, tighten the screw, and remove the support tool. Remove the top screw on the right side, insert arm B, and secure it with the screw. Connect the air hose of arm B to the air hose at the top of the column. Remove the clamp plate and screw from fixing arm B. Install fixing arm B onto the support arm hole and secure it with the removed screw. Open the air hole on fixing arm B, slide the shorter air hose over it, connect it to the air hole, and tighten the screw. Open the top air hole of fixing arm B, slide the longer air hose over it, connect it to the air hole, and tighten the screw. Reinstall the clamp plate to the end of the fixed arm B. Insert the large fixing bolt of the middle swing arm into the top screw hole of the upright column. The installation is now complete.